In 1987, a man robbed London's most secure vault by simply renting a box inside it. The Knightsbridge Safe Deposit Centre was considered untouchable. Reinforced walls, armed guards. A reputation built on the idea that no one could ever get inside. Valerio Vice didn't try to break in. He walked through the front door. He rented a deposit box, studied the layout, learned the routines, watched how guards moved and where their blind spots were. Then one afternoon, he and his crew asked to access their boxes. Guards let them in. That was the last decision those guards made freely for hours. Vice's team locked down the facility from the inside. No alarms, no gunfire, just control. They cracked box after box. £60 million walked out the door. He fled to South America, safe, free, untouchable again. But he came back to London anyway, not for money, just for the thrill. Police arrested him there in 1987. The vault didn't beat him. His own ego did. Subscribe for more stories like this one.